You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change.
We've arrived,
It's like a
and I'm happy and not happy. Happy because it stopped raining, but not happy because it's windy. I've been here before a couple months ago on that walk, but couldn't fly because it was too windy. And I'm very worried that it might be too windy today as well. But it should be a nice walk. Anyway. So unlucky with this place. This place is so lovely, but every time I come here, it's too windy to fly. As you can see. A hole. Found a hole. Not very big hole, but a hole. I like to return to the same places. I've been here a couple months ago, but it was way too windy to fly drone, so I wanted to come today. But again, it's too windy, so I'm gonna have to come back once more just to see all the beautiful places from above. It's a bar garden. Been there a couple of weeks ago. Big brewery. And also I've been there, but I don't know what's this called, but I'm gonna have to go there again. How can you not like those views? If you're wondering what those white things were, I'm going to show you in a minute. Ladies, found something that you may find interesting. It's over there. Enjoy. Don't get too excited, it's just a rock. I have a strange feeling. The wind is blowing in my face, so it's coming from the sea. And also, so I might have to bounce somewhere. I'm going there, but my car is over rain is over there. What to do, what to do? Gonna have to get wet. Now, listen to this. Okay, not that bad. Not bad at all. But Gano, about 5 kilometers, maybe a little bit more. I don't know where to go. The car is this direction. Little fancy. Oh, that's pretty. It's very pretty. Very fancy. That's a little fancy, but I would say very fancy. Fun fact, those roofs, they not last forever. They have to be replaced every certain, like, I don't know how many years, but yeah, I didn't know. I thought they can last forever, but apparently not. Back in the car, 8.5 kilometers. Not bad. Not bad. Unfortunately, I couldn't fly. Another day.
Lati in the mix. Był sobie taki kraj. Dobre dupy, dobry haj. Miksa, całą noc. To wam rozpierdolą nos. To tak zwana polska moc.